today I have a interesting lock for you guys. It's interesting because it's very similar to the Titan lock, the Titan padlock, and it's same concept but a completely different implementation. And I think it's very looks like a Russian lock, but there is no stamp like money on that, or like, but it's a very cool pattern on the lock, and I got it with this key, but sadly the key is not working. So I don't know the name, I don't know what kind of lock it is. I do have this key SNF and it's simply not working. The lock, it's a 5-pin lock probably, and I'll try to pick it, and I don't know if it's possible to disassembly. I know that I can easily disassemble Titan and the Hungarian lock, I forgot the name, LZ, I think. They're very similar. So yeah, let's start picking this one. And I don't know why they put this. It's a very cool pattern, and it's grippy somehow. So yeah, let's start picking this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's binding. Click from 4, 5, nothing. So let's go back. 1, 2, 3. Again click. 4 and 5. Click. 1, 2. It's binding. Click from 2 and we're open. It's without and it's without any spring, without any security pins, and it's a very similar to, so let me show you. This cannot be shimmed, of course, because this part is completely rotating and locking this shackle, and I don't know if I can, maybe there is a pin somewhere here. To be honest, I don't know. I don't have any information about this lock, and there are no markings. So yeah, if you know something about this lock, please put it in the comment, and maybe we can learn something new together. So yeah, this was the unknown like Titan padlock picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.